Good morning, y'all. It's Danielle from Large Family Homestead here. We are getting ready to head out and do our Azure pickup. Brian and Brooke are in Dallas on some business, so me and these fine young men are gonna handle picking up the order. So we have a big order this month. We're doing our quarterly stack up, like every 3 to 4 months. I try and do a big stack up. Now, some things we didn't get. I expected that, but also should have looked ahead and put something else in its place, and I didn't. So that was my fault. So let's hit the road. What do you think, boys?
Yeah!
Okay, we are back with the order. I got Sammy out here right now ready to help, but I'm sure other people will be joining in. Hey, I'm really sorry I didn't figure out like the per pound per ounce price like I normally do, and I got cold stuff, so I want to get it in, but I'll flash it up on the screen if it's important. Okay, here we go. What's first, Sam? 2 bags of organic alfalfa pellets for the cows. Those are 40 pounds for $31.63 each. Also have back there the Redmond mineral conditioner, the salt for the cows. That's 50 pounds of that, $25.99. And then there's also a pail there, 5 gallons of apple cider vinegar, organic. That's $51.14 for the 5-gallon bucket. A 6-pack there of the Nancy's sour cream, and we paid $23.80 for those 6 16-ounce containers. We get these every few months. They're a weekend treat. These are the late July nacho cheese chips. That's a case of 12. It'll last us at least 3 months, maybe 4. And that's $48.82 each for those bags. 12 of them. I got 50 pounds of organic Fuji apples. That came to $54.75. They look yum.
Yeah.
Very good. They won't last very long here.
No.
Also restocked my penne, as my friends say. I was corrected. I call it penny. So penny or penne. It is 12 boxes, a pound each. Came to $30.91. I guess Sam is going to show us one. Thanks, Sam. Thank you. So yum. That's our favorite. I also grabbed 35 pounds of organic butternut squash. They look fabulous. We spent on that $45.50 for 35 pounds. The baby is going to be happy. She loves squash. And here is our July fruit and veggie pack. I will do a short on what's inside, but at first glance, I'm pretty pleased.
No.
That was $42 for that. Now we have to start opening some boxes and see what's in them. I stocked up on dried organic pineapple. 5 pounds was $45.10. Also grabbed 5 pounds of dried mango. That came to $51.83. 10 pounds of our buttermilk pancake mix came to $19.30. Got a new sales flyer. Sorry about my shadow there. Oh, our lemons. 2 pounds of lemons for about $3 a pound. At least they're not moldy this time. I'm glad I gave them a second chance. This kombucha has been some of our favorites. It is 2 64-ounces. Now we make our own, but this is nice for when we don't have any. So I came to $24.79 for the 2. I'm trying out this curvy mac pasta to make homemade mac and cheese. The 2.5 pounds was $7.06. I also wanted to try out this raw hatch chili cheese. It was on sale, otherwise I probably wouldn't have tried it. We got 2 8-ounces for $7.76, so that's a pound of the hatch chili cheese. These look like a yummy treat for Brian that he doesn't know about yet. That is a pound of coconut chews dark chocolate, $13.29. Also restocked our mints and little candy tins. These are the best. So the 3 tummy soothers, there should be another one there somewhere, Sam, was $9.77. The lime ones were $2.84. The one raspberry was $2.84, and the 3 peppermints were $7.75. Because they were going to be out of my ranch dressing that I normally get, we tried 3 of these French onion dips for $5.41 and 3 of the ranch for $5.41. I also, Bailey wanted more dill seeds for her herb garden, so that is 350 seeds for $4.23. I grabbed a pound of maca root, which goes in our smoothies. That was $12.63. Also going to try this 10-pound of tricolor rotini to make summer pasta salads. $31.57 for that. That's an interesting bag they sent it in. I always get these bamboo spoons when they're on sale, and they were $2.59 each. I also was able to get the 5-pound of the calico cheese. Now that's not raw, but I figure it's better than what I'm probably buying at the store. So that's $25.71 for 5 pounds. Also grabbed a gallon of extra virgin olive oil. That was $62.68 for the gallon. Right next to it is 6 pounds of mozzarella cheese. $23.51 for that. The 16-ounce of vanilla extract was $20.29. And behind that is a gallon of blackstrap molasses. That is going to be for our cow after she has her baby. That is $24.42. And there were quite a few things I didn't get. If I had been paying better attention, I might have noticed. I don't know if you can even see my sheet. It got all sweaty from us working on here. But we have the Azure Buttermilk Ranch dressing. Didn't come. We like that a lot. I also didn't get my Landmark raw cheddar cheese. I didn't get, that's the pepper jack. I know the cheddar didn't come either. Or my 40 pounds of pears. But total with shipping minus my Azure cash, we spent $868.25. So not too bad for a stock up trip. Love to hear what you guys get, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe and follow us for more.